Imagine a world where machines, not humans, make life or death decisions on the battlefield. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in warfare, an era where artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming the game changer. As technology evolves, so does the battlefield. The role of AI in modern warfare is increasing at an unprecedented rate, pointing towards a future where AI systems could potentially be making critical decisions. From surveillance and reconnaissance to logistics and combat, AI is transforming the way military operations are conducted. It's a future that's exciting, but also fraught with ethical and strategic considerations. So how exactly is AI redefining the future of military operations? To get a handle on this, we need to delve into the past, present, and the potential future of AI in warfare. To understand the future, we must first look to the past. From the invention of the crossbow to the development of nuclear weapons, technology has always shaped the way wars are fought. The story of warfare is, in many ways, a testament to human ingenuity. In ancient times, innovations like the chariot and the catapult transformed the nature of combat. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the introduction of tanks, aircraft, and submarines, all of which drastically altered military strategies. The advent of the digital age brought with it cyber warfare, a new battlefield that exists within the invisible threads of our interconnected world. The history of warfare technology is a continuous journey of innovation and adaptation. As each new tool is introduced, military strategies evolve to incorporate its strengths and mitigate its weaknesses. Today, we stand on the brink of a new revolution in military technology. AI is not just a future concept, it's already altering the battlefield. Today, artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in modern military operations, and it's not just about flashy, autonomous drones. AI's applications are diverse and far-reaching, touching almost every aspect of warfare. In the realm of surveillance, AI-powered systems are revolutionizing the way we gather and analyze information. With machine learning algorithms, these systems can sift through mountains of data, discerning patterns and detecting threats faster and more accurately than a human ever could. Reconnaissance, too, has been transformed by AI. Autonomous vehicles, both on land and in the air, can now venture into hostile territory, gathering critical intelligence while keeping our service members out of harm's way. But perhaps the most significant impact of AI can be seen in logistics. AI is streamlining supply chains, predicting maintenance needs, and even helping to manage troop deployments. It's all about efficiency, getting the right resources to the right place at the right time. These are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping the battlefield of today. From the back office to the front lines, AI is becoming an indispensable tool in our military arsenal. But AI's role in warfare is set to expand even further. As we continue to develop and integrate these technologies, the face of warfare as we know it will continue to evolve. From identifying targets to deploying forces, AI is transforming how decisions are made in combat. The integration of AI into combat systems is not just a concept, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. Let's take a closer look. AI tools are being developed to support decision-making in the heat of battle, providing real-time data analysis and predictive modeling. These systems can sift through vast amounts of information faster than any human, identifying patterns and trends that may be crucial to mission success. One such tool is the AI-driven Target Identification System. This technology can analyze satellite imagery, drone footage, and other data sources to identify potential threats with remarkable accuracy. By doing so, it can help military personnel make informed decisions about where to focus their resources. Then there's the development of autonomous combat systems. These are designed to deploy forces and execute missions with minimal human intervention. Imagine drones carrying out reconnaissance missions, ground vehicles providing logistical support, or even robotic soldiers on the front lines. All of these guided by AI. But as these systems become more sophisticated, they also raise significant ethical and strategic questions. For instance, who is responsible when an autonomous weapon makes a mistake? How do we ensure these systems are used responsibly and within the bounds of international law? As AI's role expands, so too does the complexity of the ethical and strategic questions we face. AI's increasing role in warfare brings with it a host of ethical and strategic considerations. As we integrate artificial intelligence into our military systems, we must grapple with the implications of allowing machines to make life-or-death decisions. The very idea of autonomous weapons, capable of identifying and engaging targets without human intervention, raises serious ethical questions. Who bears the responsibility if an autonomous weapon makes a mistake? Can we trust AI to make the right call in the heat of battle? These questions have led to international efforts to regulate the use of AI in warfare. Around the world, nations are engaging in vigorous debates over the ethics and legality of autonomous weapons. Some argue for a complete ban, while others see potential benefits, such as reducing human casualties or making more precise, efficient decisions. But there's no easy answer, and reaching a global consensus is proving to be a formidable challenge. At the same time, strategic considerations are coming to the fore. As AI technology advances, there's a growing concern that it could spark a new kind of arms race. Nations may be compelled to develop increasingly sophisticated AI weaponry to keep up with potential adversaries. And unlike traditional arms races, this one is less about sheer firepower and more about technological sophistication and computational power. The potential for an AI arms race among global powers adds another layer of complexity. The race is on to develop the most advanced AI military technologies. As we speak, nations across the globe are investing heavily in AI capabilities, creating a highly competitive landscape that is reminiscent of the Cold War-era arms race. But this time, it's not about nuclear weapons. It's about artificial intelligence. Countries like the United States, China, and Russia are vying for the top spot, pushing the boundaries of AI in surveillance, combat, and decision-making. But it's not just about superpowers. Smaller nations, too, are leveraging AI in their military strategies, recognizing the potential to level the playing field. This AI arms race is accelerating the pace of technological advancement, but it's also raising questions about global security and diplomacy. As AI continues to redefine warfare, nations must navigate a delicate balance between power and responsibility, between innovation and caution. This race, however, isn't without its challenges. Despite its potential, integrating AI into military operations is fraught with challenges. Technically, AI systems require vast amounts of data to function effectively, and data collection in unpredictable and complex combat environments is no small feat. Furthermore, AI systems must be robust against a myriad of cyber threats, as their compromise could spell disaster on the battlefield. Logistically, the integration of AI into existing military infrastructure requires significant investment and a paradigm shift in training and operations management. The military personnel need to be educated to work alongside these new tools, requiring a blend of traditional military acumen and modern tech expertise. Ethically, the use of AI in warfare raises profound questions. Who bears the responsibility for an autonomous weapon's actions? How can we ensure these systems adhere to international law and the principles of proportionality and discrimination in warfare? But as we look to the future, the possibilities seem endless. As we gaze into the future, we see a battlefield transformed by AI. The soldiers of tomorrow may well be autonomous drones, guided by artificial intelligence, able to make split-second decisions based on complex data analysis. Imagine the ability to predict enemy moves before they happen, using deep learning algorithms to analyze patterns and trends. Or consider AI-enhanced cyber defense systems, capable of detecting and neutralizing threats in nanoseconds, far beyond human capability. But what about the human element? Technology is advancing at lightning speed, but our ethical frameworks need to keep pace. The application of AI in military operations is not just a question of what we can do, but what we should do. As we navigate this new terrain, we must balance the pursuit of technological superiority with the imperative to maintain our humanity and uphold international law. The question is, are we ready for this future? As we stand on the brink of this new era in warfare, we must consider both the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Artificial intelligence promises to redefine military operations, providing unprecedented capabilities, from surveillance and logistics to target identification and force deployment. However, it also poses significant ethical dilemmas and strategic implications. As we navigate this new frontier, it's crucial to balance technological advancement with ethical considerations. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the future of warfare, AI's game-changing role. We hope you found this exploration thought-provoking and insightful. If this video sparked your curiosity and you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, please give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments section. Sharing this video helps us reach more people and fuels the conversation on such important topics. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time we release new content. If you want to continue your learning journey, click on the video that's appearing on your screen right now. It delves deeper into the world of AI and its wide-ranging implications. Remember, the future is here and it's crucial that we understand it. Keep the AI learning going and stay tuned for more. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.